Hi everyone. We are going to create a door that opens when you get close to it. So let's get started. First, we need to create a blueprint, actor blueprint, call it door DP. Open that up. We need to add two static mesh, one for door frame and one more for our door. And we also need a box collision. Drag it on the here, attach it, and select the door frame, search door frame. You have this asset on the starter content. When you create your project, enable the starter content and select the door frame, set it right there or a little bit. That's good. And select the door, search for door, same door, and that's good. Set it in the middle of the door frame, and that's good. It's okay. And we are finished from here. Go to the event graph, select the box collision on component zero, begin overlap. Select that up here. First, we need to make a timeline, add a timeline, open it. I think set it to 2 seconds. It's good. And add a follow track. First point, hold shift and left click it everywhere you want and select the point. Set the time to 0 and the value to 0. And the second point, set the time to 2 and set the value to 1. Get back to the event graph. Here, we need to add our door and set the rotation. Absolute rotation. No, sorry. Set the relative rotation. Right click and split it strike pin because we want to change the Z value only. Make a layer. Connect the alpha to the track. First value, that's okay. Set it to 0. And the second value, get to the viewport. Rotate your door to everywhere you want. I think it's good. And copy the rotation on the Z axis and set it back and set it to the B value. I think it was 79. That's good. And one thing more, uh, change the box scale. Make it bigger because that was so small. I think it's good. So now add it to your level. Play the game. And if we enter the box, the door is opening. And that's good. It's working correct. Thank you for your time and wait for the next tutorial.